It's BB here. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to achieving that radiant and natural glow, you're in for a treat. So, let's embark on this journey together and unveil the true beauty within. Understanding your skin. Before we dive into the tips, let's understand our skin. It's our body's largest organ, and taking care of it is essential. Our skin reflects our overall health and well-being. Hydration, the foundation of radiant skin. First up, hydration. Drinking enough water plumps up your skin and leaves you with that coveted healthy glow. Cleanse and exfoliate. Bye-bye dullness. Cleansing removes dirt, makeup, and impurities. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing the new radiant layers underneath. Nourish from within. A balanced diet. A balanced diet provides your skin with the nutrients it craves, like vitamins A, C, and E, nature's goodness, DIY face masks. Natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, and oatmeal create fantastic face masks that hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Sun protection. Your skin's BFF sunscreen is a non-negotiable step. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays prevents premature aging and reduces the risk of skin damage. Quality sleep. Beauty rest is real. Getting quality rest is vital for skin rejuvenation. During sleep, your skin repairs and regenerates. Mind-body connection. Reduce stress. Reducing stress through activities like meditation and yoga can do wonders for your skin's health. And there you have it. The journey to radiant skin is a holistic one. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button. This is BB, signing off. Until next time, take care and